Welcome to my channel. Today we will solve the maximize assignment problem. This problem is balanced because 4 by 4 matrix. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4 are jobs. A, B, C and D are persons. Now let's start solution. Step number 1. This is maximization assignment problem. So first we convert into minimization. We subtract from the highest element all the elements of the given matrix. Here highest element is 8. So 8 is subtract all the elements of the given matrix. Maximization problem. Now let us subtract 8. 8 minus 1 7, 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 4 4, 8 minus 7, 8 minus 1 7, 8 minus 5 3, 8 minus 7 1, 8 minus 6 2 and 8 minus 5 3, 8 minus 3 5, 8 minus 5 3, 8 minus 4 4, 8 minus 2 6, 8 minus 3 5, 8 minus 1 7, 8 minus 6 2, 8 minus 3 5. Now this is minimization assignment problem. Step number 2. Row reduction. In the row 1, minimum element 0, so let us subtract 0 from each element of row 1. 7 minus 0 equals to 7, 0 minus 0 equals to 0, 4 minus 0 equals to 4 and 7 minus 0 equals to 7. In the row 2, minimum element is 1, so let us subtract 1 from each element of row 2. 3 minus 1 equals to 2, 1 minus 1 equals to 0, 2 minus 1 equals to 1 and 3 minus 1 equals to 2. In the row 3, minimum element is 3, so let us subtract 3 from each element of row 3. 5 minus 3 equals to 2, 3 minus 3 equals to 0, 4 minus 3 equals to 1 and 6 minus 3 equals to 3. In the row 4, minimum element is 2, so let us subtract 2 from each element of row 4. 5 minus 2 equals to 3, 7 minus 2 equals to 5, 2 minus 2 equals to 0 and 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Step number 3. Column reduction. In step number 3, subtracting the minimum element of each column from the every element of corresponding column. In the column 1, minimum element is 2, so let us subtract 2 from each element of column 1. 7 minus 2 equals to 5, 2 minus 2 equals to 0, 2 minus 2 equals to 0 and 3 minus 2 equals to 1. In the column 2, minimum element is 0, so let us subtract 0 from each element of column 2. 0 minus 0 equals to 0, 0 minus 0 equals to 0, 0 minus 0 equals to 0 and 5 minus 0 equals to 5. In the column 3, minimum element is 0, so let us subtract 0 from each element of column 3. Now 4 minus 0, 4, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1 and 0 minus 0 0. In the column 4 minimum element is 2, so let us subtract 2 from each element of column 4. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. 3 minus 2 minus 2 equals to 0. 3 minus 2 equals to 1 and 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Step number 4. Now we give assignment. In the step number 4, let us take a matrix which we have got from column reduction. I am writing here this matrix 5 0 4 5 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 and 1 5 0 1. In the step number 4, first row is scanning and second column is scanning. First we found a single zero in that row and make the square around it. Let's start scan all the rows one by one. In the row 1 there is only one zero, so make the square around it, and if there is any zero in that column and in that row, then cross over it. There are two zeros, so cross over it. Again in the row 1 no zero, in the row 2 there are two zeros, so leave it. In the row 3 there is only one zero, so make the square around it. If there is any zero in that row and in that column, then cross over it. Again start row 1. In the row 1 no zero. In the row 2 there is only one zero, so make the square around it, and if there is any zero in that row and in that column, then cross over it. Again start row 1, there is no zero. Row 2 there is no zero. Row 3 there is no zero. Row 4 there is only one zero. Here since each row and each column has one and only one assignment, row 1 one assignment, row 2 one assignment, row 3 one assignment, row 4 one assignment. Making a square around the zero is also known as assignment. Column 1 one assignment, column 2 one assignment, column 3 one assignment and column 4 one assignment. Hence solution is optimal. Here job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4. Job 1 is assigned to the B, job 2 is assigned to the D, job 3 is assigned to the A, and job 4 is assigned to the C. For calculation of maximum profit, take the reference of the given matrix in the question. Job 1 for B, cost is 8. Job 2 for D, cost is 5. Job 3 for A, cost is 3. And job 4 C, cost 6. Profit equals to 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 6 22. Cost is minimum and profit is maximum. So here maximum profit. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.